Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the girl Miss Wine. If you are new here, welcome and join the family and click that subscribe button down below. Today I'm gonna be showing you some things that I got from Amazon. So let's do a quick Amazon haul. Alright guys, so this is the first item, and this is, I believe, a setting spray. Guys, as you can see, everything on the label has disappeared. I've had this for so long and I've just not opened it, but because I'm gonna be doing this, because I did this unboxing now, I decided why not go ahead and show it to you guys. So I can't wait to try. It is so mini. So it's the L'Oreal Infallible setting spray, and I've heard or seen nothing but good reviews about this setting spray. I didn't expect it to be so tiny, but this is what it looks like. So these are some Dr. Brown's toothpaste. These are fluoride-free toothpaste that I got from my little girl, my 2-year-old. The doctor told me to get only fluoride-free toothpaste, and so I ordered these online for her. Comes in a set of 3, and these are mini as well. And this is the strawberry. This is the strawberry flavor, and you can see there it says Dr. Brown's fluoride-free toothpaste. So this is a mic that I got to do my videos, so you guys should be hearing me much better in my coming videos because I bought this mic. I hope I can work with it because I'm not too much of a techie, but in order to improve the quality and in terms of the sound of my videos, I decided to get this mic. So I'll let you guys know though when I start using it, and you guys tell me the difference and how you like it and all of that. Now these are the lashes that I use for my lash extensions at home, my DIY lash extensions, because if you know, I don't get fusion lashes done because I have a reaction whenever I do them. So whenever I want lashes, I use my my DIY eyelash extension, and right now I'm not wearing any lashes, and I'm pretty proud of myself because I'm a girl that really loves wearing my lashes. So this is the other thing that came in this box. So these are some lights that I purchased to put over my photo frames. I don't know if you know where they have like photo frames and then a light shining onto the photos. Yeah, so that's the idea. I'll put a clip so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is a set of 3. So I guess these are the, yeah, so these are what they look like. It's round, and of course it seems like everything these days that I'm purchasing on Amazon, like in relation to these, come with some magnet. So this is what it looks like, right? Also comes with the stuff to set it up, as well as the installation instructions. Alright, so I also got some A&D cream for my daughter, for her. I love using this because it goes on really clear. I prefer this over the regular Decor, which has like a white paste. This is clear, and I don't know, I haven't seen this, well, you know, rather than going to the store or going to look for something, it's much easier to order it online. So order it online. The stores that I went to, I didn't see any of this, so I purchased it online too. Now these are the photo frames that I purchased to use with the lights, and it's a set of what, 4 I think. Also comes with some hooks. Right, so it's a set of 4 of them in here, and I can't wait to try them with my lighting. Now I'll go to the next box. So this is really a mat that I purchased to put on my balcony. I want to set up my balcony. So I purchased this mat. It really is, I haven't taken it out of the pack, but I'm surely gonna show it to you guys when I am doing it. It comes in a case. So this. I also purchased some other stuff on Amazon to design or decorate my balcony. So I'll be sharing that to you guys as well when they come. So I purchased lighting. I also purchased a chair set, like 2 chairs and a table. It's really small out there, but those are what I purchased. I also have intentions of purchasing some other things. So when I get them, I'll show them to you guys. You know, what is this? Wig caps. Oh, so I purchased some wig caps because I was thinking to do like some quick weave style the other day. That's before I relax my hair. But these are the wig caps. They're supposed to be transparent or invisible. They look kind of brown to me, and it's 2 pieces in each. So it is 12 of them all. 12 of them here. I also purchased this pack of hair. I don't even know if 1 pack of hair will do. I wanted to do a quick weave with this. Guys, who remember the days when we used to use Milky Way and Yaki Express hair to do our weaves or extensions or our bobs? I decided to go back to purchase a Yaki, what is this? No, this is a Milky Way hair. Number 1, of course, because I'm a number 1 girly. If you're a number 1 girly, comment number 1 down in the comments. But yeah, I purchased this to do a quick weave. Certainly gonna show it to you guys when I'm doing it. I purchased also this protective liquid for when I am to do my mold and for when I'm ready to do my quick weave. I did not expect for this to be so tiny as well, but this is what it looks like and this is how it comes. So yeah. Oh, so guys, these now are some sticker paper that I purchased for my daughter. She asked me, well, she was thinking of a business idea and I said, why not print stickers? So I decided to buy the papers for her to print her designs on sticker paper and sell them. All right, believe in a kid's dream, believe in a kid's, guys. So here we are starting our first business. Michike's stickers. Okay, I can't believe that we're at the end of this Amazon unboxing already. Like, it looked like it was so much things. I wanted to get some space in my house, and so that's why I decided to do an unboxing video, show this stuff to you guys. But I can't believe I'm already done showing them. I feel like every week I have an Amazon order coming in. Of course, there could be more to show you, but these are the ones that I haven't unboxed as yet. So guys, I'm gonna put the link to all of these in the description. So if you are interested in anything, you can find them down in the description. Okay, so see you next time.